Guys, welcome to another crafting video. This is our first origami video, and today we'll be doing a fairly simple fold. We're going to be doing little foxes. You might be able to see it better on our little pink one. I even drew her little face. So the first thing you'll want is perfectly square paper. If you have origami paper like this is, then great. And if not, it's fairly inexpensive to get, or you can just cut your paper into perfect squares. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do one fold corner to corner. And you want to fold with a crease. Every fold you do in origami, you want to pretty much make sure it is exact. We're going to unfold that now, and we're going to fold it corner to corner the other way. And now we're going to take each corner and bring it up to this top corner. So that it makes a little kite or new square. And then you're gonna fold it outwards. So you don't want to fold it in where there's one long crease on top. You want to fold it out so that all these, you can see all these folds still. But you want to make sure that all these creases are nice and pressed down. And then you have two equal sides here and one long side at the bottom of this triangle. The long side is going to face out. So the long side is going to face out. This is going to be your bottom. There should it should only have two creases at the bottom, and then your side is going to where you can see all the bits of paper. From the top, you can see that it's three creases. You're going to take that first crease, and we're going to bend that down and back. You want to do it to where it almost reaches the bottom, but where you have a little bit of a triangle going out back this way. And then you're just going to press that down. So this is what it should look like now. Then that middle crease, we're going to take right here in the middle, and we're going to pull that corner down and toward where you were doing your fold before. This is going to be the face of your fox. So again, it was in a crease, it was the middle crease. You're going to take that corner and just pull it down and a little over, and then just press it down. And now you've got face and two ears. You don't even have to do anything with that back crease. And now the corner on the bottom over here, you're just going to take a small bit of it, just a little triangle's worth, and fold it in like this and really press it down so that way your fox can stand on its own. And then if you want, just for a little character, you can take a pen or a pencil or a marker and just give it little happy eyes and a little nose. And now I have foxes and friends. They're cute, they're fun. You can use them however you'd like. You can cover your desk in a bunch of little foxes or give them to all of your friends. You can write notes all up on the inside, so then they have to unfold them. But, you know, I just kind of like them as is. They're just cute little foxes. All right, well, thank y'all so much for joining us, and we'll see you for our next craft video.